southeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southwestern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, northwestern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 2 p.m. At 1:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Peartown, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Beecher, Peartown, Grand Park, and Lowell. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Merrillville, Valparaiso, Schererville, Crown Point, Park Forest, Cedar Lake, Steger, Lowell, Manteno, Peartown, Lamont, Hebron, Moments, Lake Village, St. John, Crete, University Park, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Monee, and Winfield. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 319 and 337. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 227 and 252. This includes Governors State University, Lake County Fairgrounds, and Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile. The severe thunderstorm